Have you ever wondered how people keep finding those TikTok viral products that sell out overnight? It almost feels like they've got a secret tool working behind the scenes, right? Well, today we're diving into exactly that, Kalodata, the platform that claims to help you spot winning products before they even blow up. Now, if you're based in the UK and you've seen TikTok shops exploding, this could be a game changer. Kalodata doesn't just show you what's trending, it gives you real-time data, analytics, and insights so you know whether a product is worth your time and money. Instead of guessing, you're making decisions based on hard numbers. And here's the best part, if you want to try Kalodata yourself, I've managed to get you 10% off. Just click the link in the description and you'll get instant access to their platform at a discount. So, what makes Kalodata different? First, it tracks TikTok viral products specifically for the UK market, which means you're not stuck looking at trends that only make sense in the US or Asia. Second, it breaks down the sales data, ad performance, and even gives you influencer insights so you can see exactly who's driving those viral spikes. And third, it saves you hours of scrolling through TikTok hoping to stumble across the next winner, because let's be real, by the time you do, someone else is already making sales. If you've ever wanted to stop guessing and start building a product strategy around actual TikTok data, Kalodata is the tool you need. Don't forget to grab that 10% discount link in the description before you sign up. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.